Right, Ches, right, after last week, right, when we went bicycle camping, didn't we?
Yes.
We enjoyed bicycle camping, didn't we?
Yes.
You've been upgraded.
Hotel.
Upgraded. Hotel. No, look.
Hotel.
Look. Car camping.
Right.
Car camping. How cool's that? Jump in then, let's go. Right, well, we're here. And I think my little friend is enjoying the new facilities. Look, let me show you, look. How are you enjoying the upgrade, little friend?
Oh, luxurious.
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 Yeah, is it just like a hotel only?
No, it's nothing like a bloody hotel, is it?
Oh right, okay, it's not like a hotel at all. Right, well look at this compared to last week's. Look at this, luxury. Got a little bit of a seating area here. There's our little basket of utensils. We've even got a little camping kettle, how cute's that? Have a look round in here, look. This week we've gone pillows. We are still on sleeping beds, air mattresses, but we've got like proper single flock covered ones. They're lovely. And we've got a sleeping bag, so we've actually got pillows. We've even got a blankie and a little bag with stuff in and everything. There you go, how nice is that? And then we've got, I'll show you where we are. So we've got, that's our pitch there. That's our friend who's been upgraded. We're on the campsite here. And the beauty of this is that here, we're right on the Norfolk Coastal Path. There's the sea. I know it's fairly off in the distance, but what you can see just down there, and that is the Norfolk Coastal Path. So we're going to do like 12 or 13 miles that way tomorrow, and then on Sunday we're going to do 12 or 13 miles that way because we need to get some training in. How smart is that? There we go. You gotta love Britain in summer, aren't you, eh? 15 degrees, blowing a gale, drizzling. Don't look at my little friend here. Hello, happy camper. I think we might have to go to the pub. Let's go to the pub, Ches. Cut our losses. Some beautiful flint houses here. I know that these brick bits here, these brick bits in the corners and them piers in the middle, they put them in to strengthen it and to straighten it all up and that. But it actually looks like, you know, like years ago, people used to get like a wine glass or a bottle and stick shells on it from the seaside, make a lamp out of it. People used to say, oh, you could make some money doing that, but nobody ever really did. Well, these flint houses, they look exactly like that to me. I know that they're not, and I know that the actual flint is part of the structure and that, but you know, it looked to me like somebody's just gone and stuck it on. Look at this. It's unbelievable, isn't it? Look at that. It's absolutely brilliant now, you know. So straight as well. If I was making that, there'd lumps everywhere. Hi. Hello.
Morning.
Did you sleep well in the tent?
Yes, thank you.
That's good. You sound like you didn't. You told me you had 9 hours sleep, so don't lie. So this morning, another little adventure. We're going behind us, as you could see, we're on the Norfolk Coastal Path. We're camping just up there. And the idea is that we're going to walk along the Norfolk Coastal Path for as many miles as we can, probably 15 or something like that. And then there's a Coast Hopper 1 bus, and we're going to hop on the bus and come back here. It runs every half an hour on Saturdays and in the week, and every hour on a Sunday. Right, should we get underway?
Yep.
Let's go. Oh my god, it's actually got a working phone, and it must be the only telephone box in Britain still with a working telephone in it. Sit then, 4 miles down the beach. I hope this doesn't hurt. This is proper hard going, this is, I'm telling you, isn't it? It's hard, isn't it? Having said that, it is hard going, but it is so beautiful. With the sun on your face when it comes out and the wind behind you, it's so beautiful. And there's not a soul around hardly as well. After them few miles down the beach, there 4 miles we did down the beach, this is an absolute godsend. This is absolutely beautiful now. Look at this.
Look.
What?
Definitely new ones, look, they've
Let's have a look.
wearing out.
What's wrong with them?
Wearing through, new ones.
Why?
Because I've walked that much in them.
Is this about your gibbon foot again?
No, it just means...
Is this because you have the feet of a monkey?
No, it's because
You've got monkey foot.
I've worn them that much. I need to treat myself to some new ones.
Look at that, it's beautiful. It's a bit of a big sky day though in the world. Might look a bit dull on the video, but it's not bad. But it is blowing a gale most of the day. Fish and chips, get that. Look at that. Fish, chips, mushy peas. And got the molly stats just to watch outside. How cool. That's it, we got on the coast stopper bus back to Stiffkey. How cool's that? Just all in molly stances. Only in Britain. Only in Britain.